Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that your Snapchat is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in the video to fix your issue. Simply just follow that to the settings section of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and it's going to the software update. Just tap on software update and it update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just tap on iPhone storages and just find an app of your Snapchat. It's going to go the section of your Snapchat and just tap on that and see that the option of upload app and the description of that. This will free up storage used by the app. They will free the storages, not here deleting your documents. So just tap on upload app and again install the app just like that. I'm gonna tap on upload app and you see that after uploading the app, I just notification of reinstall the app. In your section, in your scenarios, you also get an option. You just tap on install app and again reinstall your app. So just going back and just scroll it down and just find our app of option of transform reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. After doing all this stuff, your problem gonna solve. If problem not gonna solve after that settings, you just have to just delete your app and again install from the app store. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.